Alright guys, so replacing it with the JBL Club 322F. It's a 3.5 size speaker. This is the sound test of the stock corner dash speaker. There's the sound profile. Here we go. That's on 30 right now. Let's put it up to 40. Alright, let's try 50. Alright guys, so this is the after. As you can see, same sound profile. Let's go ahead and start at 30 again. Go ahead and go to 40. And 50. Alright guys, comment down below if you guys notice the difference. Is it worth it? I think so.